Greetings fam, if you're looking for a dedicated printer for shipping labels, small business orders, and package fulfillment, the Rollo USB shipping label printer is definitely worth checking out. With a commercial-grade design, 4x6 thermal printing, high-speed label output, and Windows and Mac support, it's built to make the shipping process faster and easier. So click the link in bio and let's find out whether this Rollo printer is actually worth buying. The biggest advantage is the 4x6 label format. That's a standard and convenient size for many shipping labels, giving you enough room for addresses, barcodes, carrier information, and other important details. Instead of printing a label on regular paper and cutting or taping it onto your package, you can print directly onto compatible thermal labels. That can make the packing process much cleaner and more efficient. The printer also uses direct thermal technology, so you don't have to deal with traditional ink cartridges or toner. For someone shipping packages regularly, this can simplify maintenance and reduce the number of consumable supplies you need to keep around. You simply need compatible thermal labels, making the printer particularly convenient for a dedicated shipping station. Another major selling point is its high-speed printing. If you're processing a large number of orders, waiting for labels to print can quickly become an annoying bottleneck. A dedicated thermal printer can help you move from order processing to packing and labeling much more efficiently. That makes it especially useful for online sellers and small businesses that ship products frequently. The USB connectivity keeps the setup straightforward. You can connect the printer directly to a compatible computer and integrate it into your existing fulfillment workflow. The printer supports both Windows and Mac, which is useful if your business or household uses different operating systems. You don't have to completely redesign your setup just to accommodate the printer. Another advantage is that the Rollo is focused specifically on label printing. Instead of paying for an all-in-one printer with features you may never use, you're getting equipment designed around a specific business task. That can be particularly valuable if you're printing shipping labels every day. Depending on your software and workflow, you can also use the printer for custom stickers, barcodes, product labels, organization labels, and other compatible formats. That gives it some versatility beyond basic shipping. For a small business, this can help keep your packing station organized. However, there are a few things to consider. Because this is a USB model, it doesn't offer the same wireless convenience as Rollo's Wi-Fi label printers. Your computer needs to be connected to the printer, so you'll want to place it somewhere convenient near your workstation. If multiple devices need to print wirelessly, a wireless model may be a better fit. You'll also need to make sure you're purchasing the right thermal labels. Check the label dimensions, material, and compatibility with your shipping platform before buying. Not every thermal label will necessarily provide the same printing results. Another thing to remember is that this isn't a traditional office printer. It's designed primarily for labels, so it isn't the right choice for printing color documents, photos, or regular full-page paperwork. But for shipping, specialization is a strength. If you're sending only a few packages occasionally, a regular printer may already be enough. For a growing online store or business processing orders regularly, though, the convenience of dedicated 4x6 thermal printing can become much more valuable. After looking at the Rollo USB shipping label printer, its biggest strengths are the commercial-grade build, 4x6 thermal format, fast printing, ink-free operation, custom label flexibility, USB connection, and Windows/Mac compatibility. So, is it worth buying? Yes, especially for small businesses, online sellers, and frequent shippers who want a simple dedicated solution for professional-looking 4x6 labels. It's straightforward, practical, and focused on making fulfillment faster. Before buying, I'd check the supported operating systems, shipping platform compatibility, exact print speed, compatible label sizes, thermal label costs, USB requirements, and whether the listing includes any starter labels. If you're building a dedicated packing station and want to eliminate the hassle of paper and ink shipping labels, the Rollo could be a very practical upgrade. Click the link below for the best price.